Hi, Pat here. I have an Akai reel-to-reel tape deck model 4000Ds Mark II. They made these between 1973 and 1978. And it is working.
And the darkest time is just before dawn.
But take the cover off and take a look at the inside. I'm sure things need to be cleaned up and oiled and all that good stuff. I got the front cover off and got it out of its case, and all the linkage, everything is moving quite smoothly. But I will take all these off and clean them up a little bit. I got all these wheels off, cleaned them up, even the pinch roller here. I cleaned all the rubber up and put a little treatment on them, help them out. Clean these up, and this one had grease on it. It went up here, so I put some new grease in that, and got this little new oiler. Put a couple drops of oil and everything. I got these wheels back on, and everything's running quite nice. I got the motor loose here. Took the little plate off there and got a couple drops of oil in there, and put a couple drops down inside there, and got the pulley out, got it cleaned up. I'll put a couple drops of oil in there before I slide it back in. I got it in here. I got some deoxin in these pods, got them cleaned up, and see if I get a shot of the heads here. They look pretty good. So 3 heads. Erase this down here, record, and playback. I'm trying a little recording now. I'm going at 7.5 inches per second, and let's see how it turns out. And it was sounding pretty good. To change the speed on this tape deck, I got this low sleeve right here. Just a storage place for it. And it slides on the spindle. Tighten the cap on. And now you're good for 7.5. With it off, it's 3 3/4. I got everything back together, and it's sounding pretty good.
The love I'll give to you alone, more than the simple words.
So this deck came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching.